Okay. All right. So we're gonna. You're seeing my screen? Are you seeing the screen in the beginning?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go. All right. So we're gonna do some. You watched the video on the last class?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're gonna be doing equation writings today. All right. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we're gonna begin by writing a statement.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. So let's go. All equations must have an equal sign. Okay? Get that off. So they have all equations must have an equal sign. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So here we are. So we're gonna begin now. Algebra again. We're just picking up from our last class on equation and algebra expressions, and we're just gonna build on to writing equations tonight. So as I said, all equations must have an equal sign, and there are a number of things that indicates that they can be used in algebra in a statement, a verbal statement, to mean the same thing as equal. All right.
Yes, sir.
So here are some of the words that means the same thing as equal. All right. Oh, first one, same as. That means the same thing as equal. All right. Cost means the same thing as equal in mathematics. Right. Equivalent means the same thing as equal. Anybody have any other words? You think that means the same thing? Produces. That's another word that means the same thing as equal. Gives. All right. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words that mean the same thing as equal. So please write these off. Everybody write off these words. So, same as means equal. Cost means equal. Equivalent is equal. Produces mean equal. And gives equal. All right. So let us begin with a statement. Here's our statement. 5 apples cost $100. Hi, Dejan. Dejan? Dejan, you hearing me? Dejan?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're writing equations tonight, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So here is our first statement. Can you write the answer for this one for me? We said that all of these words up here, same as, cost, equivalent, produces, gives, means the same thing as equal, all right? And we're looking at writing equations tonight. So remember last class we looked at writing expressions, but we're looking at writing equations tonight, all right?
Yes, sir.
And we're saying, Dejan, that all equations must have an equal sign, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here is your first statement. 5 apples cost $100. How would you write that down in mathematics terms? Go ahead. Write it down. Dejan, Zaria, just coming back.
Yes, sir.
All right, so remember we're writing equations, and remember we spoke about this word here that means the same thing as equal, all right?
Yes, sir.
So this statement says 5 apples cost $100. How would you write it in mathematical language? You want to try with Dujan? Dujan, go ahead, try. Zaria, please try.
Me, sir?
Go ahead, try to write this statement. 5 apples cost $100. Write it in mathematical language for me.
Yes, sir. In algebra?
Yes, in algebra. Zaria, that's yours in the red. Zaria, that's yours in the red. Dujan, you're writing yours. Let's get Dujan answer first, and then we'll discuss.
Sir.
All right, let's get Dujan's answer, and we'll discuss.
That's in the red one.
Dujan, yours is the red one.
Yes, sir.
All right, Zaria, give me your answer.
Okay, sir.
All right, guys, I want you guys to look at these words here. Are you seeing them? Everybody see these words up here? Now, these words, same as, cost, equivalent, produces, gives, they all mean the same thing as equal, okay? Zaria and Dejan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if this statement says 5 apples cost $100, does the word equal, what does the word cost mean equal to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it should be 5A equal 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So put in your equal sign. Dejan, correct your answer.
Yep.
Okay, good. So remember at all times, and I want you guys to write off these words. All of these words mean the same thing as equal. Okay? So write them off for me before we go forward. Remember our session is half an hour. Let me know when you're typing off. Okay, guys, you have to write this off so we can go forward. Remember, we're only on a half. All right, ready to go, ready to go. So yes, the Zaria and Dujan, both of your answers are correct, as I said, because your answers are showing equality between pineapples and $100. All right, okay, guys. Everyone good there?
Sir, it's echoing.
I know someone's are you still hearing me?
It's echo. Yes, sir, I'm hearing you, but it's echoing.
All right, you're hearing me now?
Yes, sir.
Not echo, right? Dujan system is the problem. All right, here's our next question. Everybody do this one. Here, you must pay careful attention to the words in the statement. Here's the next one. All right, so there's your question. Please write that in as a mathematical statement for that one for me. I'm gonna give you another one. So
Sir, this is nice.
I'm giving you another one over here. All right, here's the next question. All right, so we have 2B's equals 5. Is it 2B's or 20?
No, mula sa
Dujan,
first 9 ayas.
Devonique, is it 2B's or 20B's? Daria?
Yes, sir.
Devonique, Zaria, is it 2B's or 20B's?
Oh, sorry, sir. Is that error, sir?
Okay, good. So it's 20B's equals 5P's, right? Good job. Over here now, does anyone know what sets of mean? Does anyone know what sets of mean? Anybody know what sets of mean? No? So please note, multiplication.
It's echoing again, sir.
The John computer is a problem. So multiplication means sets off. All right? So anytime you see sets off, it means...
Sir, I never got anything answered because internet was...
I know, Devonique. I'm just trying to catch up here. Is your internet coming back now, Devonique? Gone. Devonique? All right, so everyone, remember, multiplication means sets off, okay? Zaria, Dujan, Devonique?
Yes, sir.
So anywhere you see the word sets off, it means to multiply, all right? So this question here, 10 sets of cars produces 5 batteries. What do you think 10 sets of cars mean?
Set of cars, sir.
It means
A
what?
group of cars.
So what sign must represent sets off?
Multiplication.
Good. So it's gonna be 10 multiplied by what?
By 5.
By cars. No man, by cars.
Oh, sorry. 10 multiplied by C.
Right. Those what? What it produces mean?
Plus 5.
Oh, produces. What we say produces mean up here, Zaria?
Equals equal.
Equal, good. So make that correction. So whose one is this? Make the correction, please. Dejan Zaria, make the correction. Anybody writing the answer?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, write the answer in. Mm-hmm. Dominic, are you back with us? Zaria, Dejan, Devonique, answer for this one. 10 sets of cars produces 5 batteries. What's the answer?
Sir,
Mhm.
10 multiplied by a variable
Mhm.
equal 5.
Equal 5 what?
Equal 5.
Huh? 5 B's. Okay, good.
But,
Okay, good. And 5 B's, Azaria, you must know that 5B is the same thing as 5 multiplied by B. All right?
yes, sir, I know that, sir.
Okay, so you could write 10C equal 5B, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, good job. Let's let's get the some other questions. All right, good job there. Here goes the other questions. All right, so let's get on it. Write an equation for this, or a mathematical statement, so to speak. All right, so write a mathematical statement for this one for me, please.
Oh,
Everybody write the answers in for these ones.
No, sir, I'm not finished.
Okay.
what to that?
Who's writing over that one? Go ahead, everyone writing their answer. Okay, I see one person's answer. Dejan, Devonique, put your answers in.
So I'm finished, sir.
All right, Zaria, that's it. Here's another question down here. In the meantime, this one you're gonna have to think about some more, all right?
So I'm finished.
I don't see your answer, Devonique.
Yeah,
Write your answer on the board, Devonique. All right, this one is a little bit more technical, everyone. So read this question carefully. Devonique, I don't see your answer on the board, Devonique. Dejan, I don't see your answer on the board either. Remember to read carefully. So it says 5 times the cost of 2 apples is equivalent to $300. Read it carefully. That one can be a little bit technical. So say to yourself, 5 times what? All right, what this one in the okay, Devonique, I got it. That's your answer. 5. What's that, Devonique? 5 plus. What's that answer?
5T.
5t equal to.
Yes.
Read the statement again, Devonique.
Yes,
It says
sir.
5 times the cost. What does times mean in math? Zaria, Devonique, Dejan, what does times mean?
time means you're multiplying, sir.
Okay, so let's do this one together. I know it might be a harder one. So it means, all right, Devonique, don't write there, Devonique, don't write. I'm gonna write in that space. So it says,
So we're gonna write 5
we're gonna
multiply
write 5, right? So
the
5,
cost, which can be P.
so 5 multiplied by what?
Multiply by 2 by P.
So by 2, so 5 by 2 what? 2p, right?
Yes, sir.
Because are we gonna use p as the cost of 2 apples, or we can use a? Does it matter which letter we use?
No, sir.
It can be 5 times the cost of 2 peas or apple, right? Can you use a?
Yes, sir.
And that is equivalent, meaning equal, right?
That's nice.
That's equal to, right?
Equal
Equal to what?
to $300.
Okay, so we put the dollar sign and we put 300, right?
Oh, I got it right.
What, you got that? So 5 times,
Yes, sir.
it says 5 times 2a, or 2p if you want to use p. In this case, the letter represents the cost of the apples, all right? Everybody got that? Dejan, I'm not hearing the Dejan at all. Dejan? Yep. All right, let's go. So we say 5 times the cost of 2 apples is equivalent to $300. Now, if you look Zaria, you realize that in this case, cost does not mean equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So sometimes it depending on the context in which you use the word cost, that's when it means equal. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's get to another one. Let's get to another one. I'm gonna erase. So be reminded that these sessions is a half an hour session. So let's get as much done as possible. Bien, vos de la question.
Sir, this is my answer, sir. 3.
Come on, Devonique and Dejan, put your answers in.
Sir, I can't write on it, so I have to tell you the answer.
All right, no problem. So give me your answers, everybody, when you finish looking at the question.
Sir, I'm finished, sir.
Zaria, why do you use AC right there, so?
Sir, because it says the cost of, I don't know the cost, you don't know what to use, sir. So you use a variable.
So couldn't you use just one letter?
No, sir.
Yes, Zaria. It says the cost of chicken. So the letter would represent the cost of chicken, right?
Yes, sir.
What about you, Devonique? What's your answer?
I'm not finished yet, sir.
All right, so we're waiting on you. We're waiting on you, Devonique. We're waiting on you, Dejan.
Sir, I don't understand.
Okay, you're popping in and popping out, Devonique, so you're missing the main points here. Let me try to explain to you again. All right, so these are some words up here. We say all equations must have an equal sign. Got that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're saying that these words mean the same thing as equal. When you see the word same as, it means equal sign. All right? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
When you see the word
Yes,
cost,
sir.
when you see the word cost, it normally, depending on the context in which it is used, it means equal also. The word equivalent also means equal. The word produces means equal. The word gives means equal. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Oh, if you look at this statement, it says 3 sets of. What did we say sets of mean? Look up here. The sets of mean, Devonique. Sit here.
Multiply.
Multiply, right?
Set of.
Good. So when you see the word sets of, it means that you're to do what?
Multiply.
Multiply. So we can begin this statement like Cesaria have here. So it says 3, all right, sets of, which means multiply. And we're multiplying by the cost of chicken, all right?
Yes, sir.
So we don't know what the cost of chicken is. So we're going to use a letter to represent cost of chicken.
Sir, you can also call it a variable because you don't know it.
Excellent, Zaria. So the letter represents a variable, all right? Unknown. So we say 3 sets of, the whole variable here is cost of chicken. And we can use any letter to represent this variable, okay? So we can use C.
Z.
All right, we're going to use C, all right? So 3 sets of the cost of chicken, which is C, that is the same as. And same as in here, so mean what again, Devonique?
What is sets of? You said, sir.
No,
What
same as.
is the set of? Set of mean multiply.
Right, but what does same as mean right here? Look up here. The word same as mean what? Equal. Okay, Devani?
Equal.
It means equal.
Yes,
So you must put
sir.
the equal sign in, all right? And it's equal to how much? $200. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is,
But sir, my answer was also right, sir?
yes, Sam Zaria, your answer was correct. You just didn't need to use two letters, all right?
Okay, sir.
Yes, one letter was sufficient.
Okay.
I'm going to give another question and for all of you to try. Don't write it on the board yet. Allow everybody to try and then, well, you can write your answers. Let me know which colors is yours. And then I will then tell you if everybody is correct. Here goes. Here goes the question. All right, all right. Stop writing. I'm going to write now.
Two plus.
Okay, go ahead. Everybody write, get the answer. Read it carefully. Look for the keywords and represent that as a mathematical statement for me. Go ahead. Jean, Devonique, I want all of your answers. Zaria, everybody answer. Write it on the board or tell it to me. Whose one is the green one?
Mine, sir.
Okay. Dejan, your one is the red one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Devonique, give us your answer. All right, good job. Everybody got the same answer, right? Great job. So we're all getting it. So that's it. We all got it right. Good Devonique. Good Devonique. Very good Devonique. Good, very good Zaria. And very good Dejan. As the question says, 2 plus 3 apples produces 100 pears. Those are the equations. All right. So let's go again. One more. One more. Good job.
Yeah.
What's your question?
Girl, you're coming up on my answer. 6 and 3 2. Another answer.
All right, everybody give me a simplified answer, everybody. Simplified answer. Hear what I want? A simplified answer. Go ahead. All right, so all of those long things you write there, I want them simplified for me. Everybody know what simplified means, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so simplify them for me. Read the question.
Simplified just you want a small answer.
Right, I want the reduced form of the answer. If I have 6 triangles, added to 3 bananas less 2 mangoes.
Oh, I understand that, sir. So
Yeah.
I can do something to it now. Yay. Okay.
Simplify them.
I want to add, because that is going, it's always 6.
All right, I'm waiting on the simplified answers from everyone. The board is all in now. It's jammed up here.
Miss Devonique, Sir Devonique.
Devonique, everything is jamming up here. I'm not seeing what's making sense. All right, let me clear the board a bit. Clear the board.
No, sir, no.
Yeah, clear the board. Clear the board. All right, here I know. Hey, don't write. Don't write. I'm going to give you a space. Wait. Okay, so Devonique, put your answer over there, so. Dujan, you can put your answer in the middle. And Zaria, put your answer on the other side over there.
But, sir, where's the...
So, Devonique,
answer
here. Dujan, put your answer right here. And Zaria, put your answer over here. So, go ahead now.
Sir, can I get about equation, please?
Oh, you want it back? I'll put it right here. What did I write again? 6 mangoes?
Okay, so this. Oh.
All right, so that's the question. Put in your answers. Thank you very much. All 3 of you put in your answers. Simplified answers. I want simplified answers.
So I already given a simplified answers.
That is your simplified answer?
Yes, sir.
So,
No.
people are in trouble. People are in trouble. People are in trouble. All right, I'm seeing people thinking. Go ahead. Remember, 6 mangoes added to 3 bananas. What does that mean? That means 6 what? What does added mean? Anyone understand what added means?
I didn't mean to add.
Less 2 mangoes. What does that mean? Less 2
Take
mangoes.
away.
Take away 2 mangoes.
Oh. And take away 2 plus 5.
All right, so waiting.
Equal. Sir, I got 2 answers. I'm not sure which one is right.
All right, we're going to discuss them. All right, everybody ready for me now?
Yes.
Everybody writing? All right, so let's go. Let's see if we got it. So it says 6. I'm going to write over there. It says 6M. All right, I'm going to write everything. 6M added to. So that's plus 3Bs.
So I'm wrong.
Minus less 2 mangoes. So let's minus 2M's. Plus 5B's. Equivalent means equal, right? So equal 400. but we want a simplified answer. So if I had 6 mangoes and I gave away 3, that means I have how many mangoes left again?
Echoing, sir.
Yeah, how many mangoes do I have left if I had 6 and gave away 2? How many do I have?
6 and gave away 2, sir.
Yeah. How many do
4,
I have?
sir.
4. So I know I have, so the simplified version will be 4m. And if I had 3 bananas and then I got 5 more bananas, how many bananas do I have?
Repeat, sir.
I had 3 bananas, then I got 5 more bananas. How many bananas do I have?
10, sir.
Oh man, 3 and 5, how many is that?
Oh, I thought you said 3, 5, and 5.
Oh, 5 and 3. So that's how
8,
many?
sir.
So that's 8 bananas, right, Devonique? All right, and that now would be equal to what?
Equal
$400.
4. Yes, sir.
Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
That's a simplified version of it. All right? Body cool?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Sir,
Yeah? Questions?
I thought it was you have to add the 2 mangoes together, which give us 8, and then you have to plus add the 2 bananas together, which give us 8 again, and you got the answer. I always thought it was that way.
No, the less. So the less here means subtract, all right?
Yes, sir.
So pay attention to the keywords, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. So this is the simplified answer here. Good. All right, guys. I'm going to give you 2 things to compare now, and then we're done for the night. So here goes. Clear the drawing board. There's 2 questions to compare. So here is it. 6 sets of pine less 3 bears. So I want you guys to represent that one, then you're going to represent this one. 2
Okay, sir.
sets of rice.
The one in red is mine, sir.
Okay, it's the same as 1 set of meat. Okay, represent those 2 things for me, please. Who's writing that big? All right, let me get all the answers, please. Thank you. This is where we end for the night. Stefanique, Dejan, Zaria, answers?
This one is confusing.
Just think about it. 6 sets of times. So that's what does sets of mean?
Multiplication.
Right, so put it in. Six sets of times. It wouldn't go there, Zaria.
Huh, sir?
It wouldn't go there. It would be 6
Oh,
6 sets of P.
6 is take away 3 bears.
3 bears.
Equal.
No, sir. No equal 9. Didn't see that.
Oh yes.
That's it.
So I got it before you, so I win.
All right, next one now. Next one. Devonique, Dejan, Zaria. Come on, next one now.
Two set of rice is the same.
What does same as mean?
Same as
Mm-hmm. 1M, right? Good.
yes,
Good job. All right, good job. Now, everybody, let us differentiate. What's the difference between this one here and this one here? Away from the letters, what's the difference?
Its signs are the subtraction signs are not is not in this one.
Okay, but away from the subtraction sign? You realize,
Uh,
look at the equal sign. You see that? Is there an equal sign in this one?
no, sir.
No. But there's an equal sign in this one, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is the takeaway here. Once there's no equality, once there's nothing on two sides of an equal sign, it is not called an equation. It's called an expression, all right?
Yes, sir.
So this one up here is an expression. Who's doing that? And
Who's writing so big?
this one down here is called an equation, okay?
Yes, sir.
So just remember, equations show equality, while expressions don't show equality. They just express some verbal statement in a mathematical way, but there's no equality in the statement. All right.
Yes, sir.
What would this be? Would this be an equation or an expression? Look at it.
Equation.
I'm giving you the example now. So let's go. Who's writing on the board?
Expression, sir.
All right, here goes this example. 4p plus 2m. Is this an equation or expression?
Expression.
Expression. What if I do this? Is it an equation or an expression?
Equation.
No, it's not. If there's nothing on this side, it's not an equation. All right? Follow me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So even if there's an equal sign, if there's nothing on the other side of the equal sign, it is not an equation, it's just an expression. All right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is this now? Is it an equation or expression?
Equation.
Equation. What about this one? Is that an equation or expression?
Expression.
Expression. What about this?
Equation.
Equation. What if I put that in it? What is it?
Equation.
Equation. Great. What about this one? All right, so this one. Is that an equation or expression?
Expression.
Look at it. The whole of this. All of this.
Equation.
It's an equation because there's equality, right? Between two or more things.
Yes.
Following Devonique? Devonique?
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
You're
Yes,
understanding?
sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the difference. Once there is equality in it, it's an equation. Once there's no equality in it, there's nothing on two sides of an equal signs, then it is not an equation, it's an expression. All right? All right, one more. What about this one? Is that an equation or expression?
Yeah.
Yes?
Equation. No, expression, sir. Expression.
Expression. Good. Expression. Any questions, everybody? Any questions?
No, sir. Okay. Suppose.
What do you mean by that?
Go ahead with the question.
No, you just take yours.
Zaria, go ahead with the question.
So suppose we have 4 plus 2m
4 plus 2m. She said 4 plus
and
2m
2 equal 1.
times
Just
2 times 2
equal 1. Is that still an equation?
equal 1.
Yes.
Yes, because it has two things on they have things on both sides of the equal sign, right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
It's showing equality. What this is saying to you, Zaria, is that 4 plus 2m times 2 gonna give you 1. All right?
Yes, sir.
That's an equation. Any other questions? Devonique, Dejan, questions? No questions?
No, sir.
All right, so let's go to wrap up session. All right, what did we
No,
learn?
sir.
What did we learn tonight?
That that all of them mean something that as all of these some of these were like mean equal like same as
Uh-huh.
cost
Mm-hmm.
equivalent gives
Mm-hmm.
and produce it.
Produces, right? Even the word is. Because if I say to you, the cost of chickens are $10, that means equal to, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So anything you use, the cost of chickens or the cost of a chicken is, it's still talking about equality, all right?
Yes, sir.
Um, Devonique, what about you? What did you learn?
I learned I learned that multiplication means set off.
Okay, good. All right. Dujan, what about
And,
you? Okay,
and
go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
I also said the difference between the equation and an expression.
Expression.
And equation is when you have the equal sign and another and a number or something on the
On the
right
on the left.
and the left. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. If there's something only on one side, it's not an equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Just an expression. Okay, good. Dujan?
Oh yes, sir. I'm going to show you an equation that we learned in a class using the same algebra. 1 second, sir.
Go ahead.
We have
Okay.
we also learned that kind of equation in class, sir.
Yes, man. We have done something like this, don't?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job, good job. So now you know that this, did you know the difference between an equation and an expression before, Zaria?
No, sir. I thought they were basically the same thing.
Okay, we realize they're not the same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. All right, and share.